Hello everyone, and welcome to this exciting video where we will be showcasing the process of tooth bonding. Tooth bonding is a cosmetic dental procedure that helps improve the appearance of a tooth. Whether it's a chipped, cracked, discolored or misshapen tooth, bonding can help restore its natural look. Segment 1. What is tooth bonding? Tooth bonding is a process where a tooth-colored resin material is applied to the surface of a tooth, and then molded into the desired shape. The resin material is then cured using a special light, to create a hard, durable and natural-looking finish. Segment 2. The process of tooth bonding. Here's a step-by-step look at the process of tooth bonding. Step 1. Preparation. The dentist will prepare the tooth surface by cleaning it, roughening it, and applying an etching solution to help the bonding material adhere properly. Step 2. Application of bonding agent. The dentist will apply a bonding agent to the prepared tooth surface. Step 3. Placement of composite resin. The dentist will place a putty-like composite resin material onto the tooth and mold it into the desired shape. Step 4. Hardening. The composite resin is then hardened using a special light. Step 5. Shaping and polishing. Once the resin has hardened, the dentist will shape and polish the surface to match the surrounding teeth, creating a natural-looking finish. Segment 3. Benefits of tooth bonding. Tooth bonding is a non-invasive, simple, and affordable procedure that can be completed in just one appointment. It's also a great alternative to more invasive procedures like veneers or crowns. Outro. That's it for this video on tooth bonding. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting cosmetic dental procedure. For more information, or a free consultation, contact Demko Orthodontics at demcosmiles.com. Thank you.